So welcome guys to Cryptex DeFi Hybrid Contract Overview. Okay? Ito po, disclaimer lang. Please, no, kopyahin nyo po ito at basahin nyo ito mga ilang beses. But this is just a disclaimer to let you know that I am not part of the ownership. I am just a person just like you and me. My goal here is just to present to you in Tagalog or Taglish itong information na kung ano meron tayo. I am not a financial advisor. I am not a crypto expert. I am not legal advisor. So at the end of the presentation, I will give you the information at the end of the presentation. You still have to do your own research, right? However, I must say that kahit na po anong opportunity or anong business, ano man ang ginagawa natin, offline or online, there's a level of risk. And the reason why I decided to work with this project and why am I so excited with this project is because it's very, very minimal yung risk niya. Okay, we're gonna talk about all that in the next pages. Okay, so anong goal natin? Pag-usapan natin, ano bang ino-offer ni Cryptex para sa iyo at para sa akin? Ano ang proof na ito ay totoong nagaganap? Ito ba is something that you wanted to participate? Okay? Of course, pag-usapan natin yung optional referral program. Kasi po, nabanggit natin sa umaga, kanina, sa umaga, kanina na you can save up to 1.95 million pesos, no selling, no referral, no inviting. Option nyo yon. But if you see the opportunity of this project can help many people, meron ko yung option to participate in the referral program. Okay, so yan, ang EDSA, familiar po tayo, no? Ang daming billboard, right? No, there's billboard all over the place. What if sa EDSA nakita niyo itong sa billboard, no? It says bank loan. Pwede kayo umutang from 30,000 US dollar to $40. Okay? Guaranteed, approve ka. Kahit sino pwedeng umutang basta marunong magbasa at naiintindihan yung kontrata, right? No credit check, no income check. Hindi niya tatanungin, ano ba trabaho mo? Kaya mo bang bayaran itong utang mo? Walang ganon. No ID required, okay? No KYC, okay? The only requirement is $100 processing fee. Okay, pag-usapan natin, worth it ba? Is it worth to give it a shot? Okay? Right. Here we go. Pag-usapan natin si Cryptex. Cryptex is a community-based project utilizing a blockchain base. So hopefully, uh, you find interest in this program because you have experience or you've heard about the blockchain. So we are a DeFi staking protocol as its point of earning. So dito po sa DeFi staking protocol nanggagaling ang pera na binabayad ng community sa atin from the amount of money that we loan from the bank. Okay, Cryptex maintains partnership with who? With the bank, insurance companies, and individual people like you and me, working uniformly to generate profit for from all parties involved. So, si Cryptex offers a unique DeFi hybrid contract consisting of two parts. Ano yung parts na yon? Smart contract and decentralized Oracle network. Ito yung connection nila, no? That allows the system to work, okay? Of secure off-chain services that support the smart contract. Okay, si smart contract, secretarial lang natin yan. Kumbaga parang remote control. But what's going to feed into the smart contract is the decentralized Oracle network. This is put together by the smart people that really knows what they're doing pagdating sa crypto. Okay, we currently have more than 800,000 members. Guys, lipat natin ito para nakatingin ako sa inyo. Nilipat ko yung aking camera. Okay, so there are currently more than 800,000 members or holders worldwide and provides anonymity, okay, anonymous for all party, okay? They have been in the operation since 2016, okay? This is what really got my attention. Karamihan sa mga crypto projects na maririnig nyo, iaalok sa inyo, 3%, 8%, 10%, guys, karamihan doon ay scam. And they are not designed to last for a long time. So guys, when I heard this been around for 2016, sabi, okay, tell me more about it. All right. So this is the longest crypto project I've ever known, and it's very verifiable, and they have all the proof that the system works. Okay. Now, what is staking? Pag-usapan natin mga terminology so that you would know what we are doing. Staking is the process of keeping your crypto asset locked for a contractual period of time in order to generate passive income. Okay? Locked asset. Okay, ito isa sa part of the formula. Nakalock yung asset mo, okay, para hindi mo gagalawin at walang influence outside that will fail the system. To protect the network's ability to generate crypto profits. Okay? And as a reward, the staker, you and me, participate, receives return. Merong babalik sa atin. Okay? Here we go. This is very similar, no? Kung may pera ka, ilagay mo sa bangko, cash deposit from your bank. The longer term, the better the interest. So guys, dito mamimili ka. You want the shorter term, mid-term, or the longer term. Okay? Now, the profit partnership. Sino ba yung partnership dito? Okay? Number one, it's you and me. Okay? And then we partner with the banks. We partner with the insurance company that will insure our loan, and then the smart contract. The smart contract is like the AI or virtual secretary that do all this calculation and work and pay us when it's time. Okay? Now, the profit partnership, how it works. It create free account with Cryptex. So, it starts with you and me, no? Simula ka, mag-create ka ng free account with Cryptex. Ang kailangan mo lang dito, guys, valid, legitimate email. Guys, huwag nyo gagamitin yung email nyo na hindi nyo pa matagal nyo nang hindi ginagamit. Hindi nyo alam kung maalala nyo pa yung password niyo. So, make sure you use a valid email, okay? And then you're going to create a password. Okay, of course, you need a $100 processing fee per DeFi staking contract, okay? But we pay in the form of Bitcoin. So get back to the person that invited you, how you can convert your pesos or your dollars into $100 amount worth of Bitcoin. Okay? Decide if you want a contract to be 3 years, 5 years, or 7 years. Okay? Then you can secure a maximum of 80 contracts. Believe it or not, guys. Kaya yung mga taong na makikita ninyo mamaya, they withdraw millions and millions of dollars, US dollars, kasi multiple accounts sila. Okay? Now, the bank, okay, pag-usapan natin yung bank. The bank makes a loan directly to the staking contract. So, yung pera na ipauutang sa atin, hindi natin nahawakan yan. Okay? It will be put into the staking contract on your behalf. Okay? There are loans, okay? The loans are from $30,240 for 3 years up to $43,200 for 5 and 7-year contract. Okay? Now, the bank, ang tanong, bakit ka naman pauutangin ni bangko? Because alam ni bangko, we are partner with Cryptex. Hindi iaabot sa iyo yung pera. Kasi kung sa iyo iaabot yung pera, lugi na si bangko. Remember doon sa yung sa how we started in the presentation? Kung iaabot ni bangko ni bank yung pera sa mga tao, malulugi si bangko. Okay? Kasi hindi mo alam kung fail yung project mo. Ito dito is a proven that the staking contract that we have is generating money, and it's proven. Okay? So ngayon, kung mataas ang confidence ni bangko kay staking contract, they will earn alam niya na kikita siya ng 6.75% interest annually from the loan na ipauutang niya sa staking contract on our behalf. Alright? So, ang trabaho niya lang ipautang para gumana yung pera. Alright? And then, of course, at the same time, the initial loan amount will be back to the bank. Ibabalik yung pinautang sa atin sa bangko, may tubo pa siyang 6.75. Okay? Now, the insurance company, sino naman at ano ang importansya ng insurance? The insurance company insures the staking wallet for loss or default. So guys, dito, kaya mataas ang kumpiyansa ni bangko na magpautang kasi insured. Na kung may mangyari kay Cryptex or anything, tuloy-tuloy na mababalik kay ah, kay bangko yung utang at may tubo, okay? So they will receive auto monthly premium. Hindi na tayo ang magbabayad ng insurance doon sa loan insurance natin, right? Si smart contract na. Pero saan manggagaling? Doon sa kinikita ng ating ni-loan na pera kasi nasa staking project na siya. Okay? So this removes all the risk from the bank. Kaya ngayon si bangko masaya siyang magpahiram sa atin ng loan as long as we need it. Okay? Here we go. Smart contract. Etong trabaho. Pwede parang sekretarya natin at ito si banker. Right? Siya ang mag-calculate ng daily profits natin from 0.1% to 0.3%. Biruin mo guys, that's micro compounding. Right? Remember guys, when you try a different program before, maybe if you tried a different crypto project, no? Malaki nagbibigay. So sabi mo, kung meron lang sana akong pera, malaki sana ang kikitain ko daily. So guys, dito, no, meron tayong pera nagagana sa ating staking project worth 30,000 to begin with kung isang contract lang ang kukunin mo. So may pera. At yung mas malaki yung pondo mo, mas malaking kinikita mo. That's why at the end of the year, at the end of 3 years, you have money to collect. Okay? Na ipon. Okay. So it pays the bank its annual interest and as well as the capital as the initial loan capital back. Oh, di ba? So smart contract also pays the insurance company their monthly premium and assign the remaining profits to you at the end of the contract. So si smart contract na magka-calculate kung may kulang pang kailangan bayaran kay bank, si smart contract na magbabayad nun. Kung ano man yung remaining, yun ang matitira para sa iyo. Okay? Here we go. Ito yung screenshot ng mga contracts natin na pwede mong bilhin. Meron tayong 36 months which is 3 years. Meron tayong 60 months which is 5 years. Meron tayong 84 months which is 7 years. Now guys, kung meron kang extra na pera, nasa sa iyo yan. No one's gonna convince you. No one's gonna force you. If you decide that you want to buy 10 contracts, you might as well buy it all at once, no? Because the company, okay, not the company, but the Cryptex will give you 5 more contracts. 10 lang ang binayaran mo, 15 yung contracts mo, guys. That's extra 5 contracts. 5 times $35,000 money to you after 3 years, right? So, here we go. Consider this if you have the money, okay? Here we go. So, ang tanong ngayon, anong contract ba ang bibilhin mo? Okay? Kung meron ka $100, you pick the 3-year contract. At the end of 3 years, you will have $35,000. Multiply that in 55 sa pesos, you will end up with 1.95 million pesos. Dito po nanggaling yung advertising natin. Okay. But if kung pinili mo 5-year, mas bata-bata pa ka pa, maybe you're only 25 watching this video. Now, after 5 years, meron ka $471,000, right? On this $100 5-year contract. But if you pick the 7 years, guys, you just made yourself a millionaire. How can you make yourself 1.5 million based on just what you know? You don't know anything about Cryptex. Maybe magaling ka magbenta ng kotse or whatever with your college education. Can you make 1.5 million in 7 years from what you already know? So guys, this is additional information that you can add or additional income you can add based on what you know. You keep doing what you're doing, magaling kang mag-networking, magaling kang doktor, magaling kang abogado. Guys, at the end of 7 years, you will have extra 1.5 million US dollars. Ikaw na mag-calculate niyan in pesos. Okay? Here we go. So, DeFi hybrid contract. Once a contract is selected, okay, itong itsura niya. All right, this is a 3-year contract. Ito, 30,240, right? Ito sa example na to, guys, this person already started making money. So meron ng tumubo na ng $184.95 in this example, itong screenshot na to. So, within 48 to 24 to 48 hours, you will start earning daily staking rewards. These rewards are compounded daily 365 years, 65 days per year. Right? So, now, pag-usapan natin. Totoo ba to, coach? Totoo ba to? Well, you know what? That's what I said also, right? It sounds too good to be true. So, isa sa ating generous na ating mga nauna na, he shared his story and screenshot and document his experience. So, sa back office natin, guys, you can go to the withdrawal history. So, makikita nyo, ito na yung mga withdrawal niya. Okay, on March 21st, 2023, he withdrawn $100,580. Okay? Not too long ago, a day before, right, this guy withdrawn $112,874. Nung March 18 naman, nag-withdraw din siya ng 100,000. Okay. Tingnan niyo magkano wini-withdraw nitong tao na to. On the 15th of March 2023, nag-withdraw din siya ng 100,000. On January 11, nag-withdraw siya ng $89,000. So, prior to this, guys, nasa 98, 89. Pero nung pagdating ng March, sunod-sunod na ang 100,000 plus withdrawal niya. Okay? So, this guy right here, Mo, he tells his story. So, kung gusto niyo mapakinggan yung story nito si Mo, meron tong recording, he can tell the story. Actually, this guy Mo, he was in a restaurant business, super successful. So, syempre, yung mga yan, may mga network of other business people. Isa sa mga naging kaibigan niya, binigyan siya ng free account. Ibig sabihin, yung kaibigan niya nagbayad ng $100, multiple of account. So, after that, hindi niya pinansin. But after 3 years, he got a notification from the email, just like this, that, the Cryptex, achieve maximum growth in minimal effort and risk. Okay, okay, so ito yung message sa kanya, no? Na there's an amount that needs the book to wallet balance na pwede nang ready to collect. So, after all the fees and adjustment and everything, from 488, he ended up taking out 398,704 million, 300 tama, and then $745. So guys, ayan. Yeah. Winidraw niya na yung pera niya. So what he did was he documented it, right? So right here, if you look, pumasok na sa kanyang wallet, okay, 388 or 383, I don't remember, 398, okay, to his wallet, right? That's how many Bitcoin? That's 10.59 Bitcoin during that time, right? Here we go, 10.59 balance of Bitcoin. So guys, this is a powerful story. If you want to hear this, let me know. Message me. I'll send you the link para mapanood ninyo. Okay, pag-usapan natin blockchain. This is, for me, after I've seen this, when I saw the blockchain history, sabi ko, okay, yeah, that's the story of one person. But guys, you can literally go directly to the blockchain. Ano ba yung blockchain? Blockchain is simply a database of transaction often called a distributed ledger, that has been duplicated and broadcasted to the network of users who can only verify and agree on the database. All cryptocurrencies run on a blockchain technologies. Lahat ng transaction na nagaganap, Bitcoin man yan, USDT, Ethereum, lahat yan recorded sa blockchain. So you can check, no? You can check. Sa blockchain, it's transparent, it's secure, it's public. So hindi ito pwedeng baguhin. Hindi katulad ng mga testimony sa ibang mga networking, they say they already make this much, but they always add a little bit more, right? Dito, kung anong nakita nyo sa ledger, yun yung amount, no? So this is one of the wallet ni Cryptex, no? So kung makikita mo dito, ang total amount that's been deposited to this is 52 billion plus 682, right? That's the same total amount na na-withdraw because how Cryptech does, hindi nila iniipon lahat ng pera nila sa isang wallet. They only put the money to this wallet to be withdrawn. Okay? So as you can see, this example, this Cryptex wallet has paid out more than 52 billion with the letter B, guys. Letter B. Billion dollars, right? Tingnan natin how this looks. Kung makita nyo guys, yung red is people cashing out money. Yung green, Cryptex putting money into the wallet para may makash out yung mga tao. So in this example guys, makikita ninyo, bago nag-cash out itong tao na to, nag-deposit muna si Cryptex ng amount of 1.4 million, 5.5 million, and 4.4 million. This guy right here, nag-cash out. Nag-cash out siya worth of 7.950 million. Guys, million. Ang cash out. So guys, dito ang dami ng mga tao nagka-cash out in Europe, yung mga naunang nakaintindi nito, no? So, here we go. And then, I'll give you another example right here, no? So, bago nag-withdraw itong tao na to, nag-deposit muna si Cryptex ng 451,544. And then, this person withdrawn that same amount, 451,544. So, this is just one wallet, guys. How about the other wallet, the bigger wallet? This wallet had paid out 516 billion. In fact, I have this link where I can send it to you. I-click nyo yan, guys. If you would see, I think it's already at 519 billion BTC paid out to the people. All right, 515 billion worth of US dollars in BTC paid out to the people. Okay, another elephant in the room. Coach, baka naman yan, pera-pera, galing sa pera ng mga tao. Okay, tingnan natin. Let's do the math. Okay, so, di ba sabi ko kanina, we have more than 800,000 members in the community. Sabihin na lang natin, round up natin 900,000 to be conservative. Kung lahat yan nagbayad ng tago 100, then the system or the community have collected 90 million. Si Cryptex, no? Yan yung nakolekta niya, 90 million. But remember, yung wallet na pinakita ko sa inyo, they've already paid out billion. So, kulang yung 90 million. O, sabihin natin, Coach, baka yung mga tao nagbilihan ng 80 accounts. So, even if people purchase 80 accounts, you and me, lahat tayo, no, at 900,000 members, you will end up only 7.2 billion. Kulang pa yan pangbayad doon sa 52 billion smaller wallet ni Cryptex. So, my point is guys, hindi nanggagaling sa bayad ng membership ng mga tao yung earnings natin from the loan, right? So, as you can see guys, 52 billion, kulang na kulang yung 7.2 billion, right? So, kung nagustuhan nyo guys, kung ano yung narinig ninyo, you wanted to be one of us, like sharing this program, let's talk about the referral program. Okay, dito guys, every time somebody purchase a contract for $100, yung direct referral mo, you earn 30%. Sa second level, 5% all the way down to level 10. So, 5 and then 4 and then 3. Okay? Now, ito pa maganda. That's the front end. Yung back end, yung mga na-refer natin, when they earn their $35,000, kung 3 years lang kinuha niya, you will earn 8% of that. And then you will get paid overriding all the way down to 20 level. Oh my gosh, that's mind-blowing. Now, you can also participate to the leadership group. Ako talaga, ang goal ko is to sponsor more than 100 direct. Okay? So that I can qualify to the leadership bonus. Okay, another qualification is total of 100,000 volume in your entire team. Okay? 1,000 contract. Or 100 new contract each month from your first and second level. Pag nagtotal ng 100 new contract and then a total of 100,000 volume, then you qualified. Your qualification are met. Then you will earn 5% of 1,000 contract retroactively. So that's extra 5,000 in your pocket. So what? You can buy some more contracts or you can spend it whatever you want. Okay? Ito pa malupit guys. Once you're qualified as a leader, you will earn 5% all the way down to infinity on each contract. Brand new contract that is brought to the system. Ang lupit, no? Ito, bigyan natin ng numbers. So, first generation to 10 generation direct referrals. If we use the power of 3, tatlo yung na-refer mo, and each of those 3 people buy 10 contracts each because they understood, no? They understood. Then you will earn $30 times 30. That's extra $900. What if those 3 people brought 3 also? Now you have 9 people on your second level, right? And each buy 10 contracts at $5 overriding commission, you will have 450. It goes all the way down to the third, to the fourth, to the fifth. Okay? Tingnan natin. Pag umabot sa fifth, you have 243, earning you $4 each override. That's 9,720. But guys, look at this. Sa 35,000, right? Remember, pag yung mga tao na yan, sa 35,000, kumita na sila ng, na-withdraw, nag-cash out na sila ng 35,000, you earn 4% because they're on the fifth level. You will earn 1,400. Eh, ilan ang dami ng tao sa fifth level mo? 2,430 times 1,400. You'll be earning roughly around $3,402 on this side. 'Di ba? Ang laki. O, tingnan natin, let's go lower. Sa seventh generation mo, you will have 2,187. Okay, yung fast start generation bonus mo, you'll get paid what? $65,000 just on the fast start, right? On the direct referrals, right? What if you start earning, okay, sorry, iba na po the example na to. So, na-establish na natin na leadership bonus na pinag-usapan natin. So, sa leadership bonus mo, no, kung let's say you already have that 100,000 people, you simply earn $5 each because now you're qualified on those new accounts, right? You will earn an additional $109,000 here just overriding because of your leadership bonus. Guys, di ba napaka-powerful? Ito, example. This person right here, right, so far has accumulated 7.6 million amount to be collected when his contract is due. But yet at the same time, nag-accumulate siya ng rewards from the group, no? From the referral staking. If we go here, guys, makita nyo, sa referral program, this person already made $584,000, right? Just on the referral program. Okay. Also, he made more on the leadership on the leader program. Bakit? Kasi he's making more money all the way to infinity. Okay? Now, if you do all the math right here, this person had made $2.1 million already. Hindi niya pa nakokolekta yung pera na kikitain niya from the loans. So guys, there's money in the direct referral. Okay? The elephant in the room, another elephant in the room. Why is everything kept anonymous? Eh, bakit? Tingnan nyo ha. Si Bitcoin, nung nagsimula yan, it only cost 3 cents, right? Naging $1, naging now $100,000 each Bitcoin. So, based on the free market ideology, Bitcoin was invented in 2008 when a known entity published a white paper under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Guys, imagine nyo, gaano kayaman na itong tao ngayon. Tsaka isipin nyo ha, nung nagsimula, walang naniniwala dito. But knowing where they at now, palagay mo ba papayagan siya ng centralized banking system to continue with this project? Kasi epektado sila, right? Because they continue to they want to continue to make money on their on the way we normally make before. So guys, that's why being anonymous, hindi ko masabi talaga yung word. Being anonymous is very, very important with this type of project. Ikaw ba, kumikita ka ng billion-billion, gusto mo magpapubliko, edi titry ka di ba, BIR, or uutangan ka ng mga kaibigan mo. So guys, being anonymous is very important in this project. All right, so there are over 25,000 cryptocurrencies with a combined market cap value of 3.3 trillion, plus BTC has a market cap of 2 trillion. Guys, there are over 28 billionaires. You don't even know them, right? Ang mga mayayabang lang yung kumita ng konti, yun yung masyadong mayayabang. Pero guys, the billionaires, they want to hide their identity. Okay? So the bank, insurance companies, smart contract creators, and account holders are completely anonymous for our benefit. Okay? Tingnan nyo guys. Pakilala mo yung mga bangko na involved in this project, eh di dudumugin na yung mga bangko na yan. Okay, marami din magsisimulang other project na mga scammers. They'll try to, you know what I mean, guys. So this has allowed Cryptex to operate uninterrupted since 2016 and clears the way for continued prosperity. So guys, the system works, right? So hindi na natin kailangan baguhin. Okay, the combination of anonymous banks, insurance companies, and account holders has paved the way for one of the largest wealth creation vehicle in history. So guys, ito ngayon, mamili ka na lang. Do you want, well, first, the next thing you need to do is get your questions answered. I know, hindi po pwedeng isang beses mo lang panoorin ito, alam mo na, hindi. Okay? So itong gagawin mo guys. You get back to the person, sagutin yung tanong, mag-attend ka ng ilang mga upcoming Zoom presentation, okay? And then pick which one you want. Okay, the 3 years, the 5 years, 7 years, or you want uh, a 10 contracts plus 5, right? So thank you guys. Thank you for listening to me. I tried. This is my second attempt kasi yung una siya pa napahaba eh. So I wanted to make sure this is less than 1 hour. So get back with the person who referred you to this presentation, and welcome to the team. So get your questions answered, guys, and watch the information over and over. Get involved, increase your knowledge so that you can make a better informed decision. This is Coach Sal from Las Vegas. Magkita-kita po tayo from the beaches of the world. Sana po na mapasyalan natin lahat ng magagandang beach diyan sa Pilipinas. Bye for now.